Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to creating an immersive and mysterious atmosphere for events, performances, or even Halloween parties, nothing sets the mood quite like a fog machine. These ingenious devices generate a thick and billowing mist that adds an element of excitement and drama to any setting. Whether you're a professional event planner, a DJ, or simply a lover of atmospheric effects, investing in a high-quality fog machine is essential. To help you make an informed decision, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best fog machines currently available on the market. These fog machines have been carefully selected based on their performance, reliability, user-friendliness, and overall customer satisfaction. So, get ready to dive into a world of mesmerizing mist as we explore the best fog machines you can buy today. Number 5. KYAAO Kentucky LED 501 Fog Machine. The fog machine boasts a sleek and sturdy construction that exudes durability. The compact size and lightweight nature of the machine make it highly portable, allowing for effortless transportation and setup. The inclusion of an EU plug, US plug, and AU plug options caters to various power requirements, ensuring compatibility across different regions. Additionally, the LED source's mixed RGB colorful lights add a vibrant visual element to the fog effects, elevating the overall ambience. Equipped with a powerful 500W motor, the Kentucky LED 501 fog machine produces a dense and consistent fog output that quickly fills the room, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. Whether it's a small gathering or a larger event, the fog machine's output is ample to cover a significant area. The remote control functionality offers convenient and hassle-free operation, enabling me to adjust the fog intensity, LED colors, and control mode without having to manually access the machine. The fog machine's compatibility with DMX stage light setups further enhances its versatility and enables seamless integration with existing lighting systems. Number 4. Alien AFM 500 Fog Machine. First and foremost, the build quality of this fog machine is impressive. It feels sturdy and well constructed, giving me confidence that it will last for a long time. The compact size makes it easy to transport and store, making it ideal for both small gatherings and larger events. One of the standout features of the AFM 500 is its versatility. It offers multiple control modes, including DMX 512, manual, auto, and master slave. This means I can customize the fog effects according to my preferences and sync it with other lighting equipment seamlessly. Whether I want to control it manually, set it to an automated mode, or integrate it into a larger lighting setup, the AFM 500 provides all the necessary options. The fog output is excellent, creating a dense and atmospheric effect that enhances the overall ambience of any space. The 20W power ensures a consistent and continuous output, covering a considerable area without any hiccups. Whether it's for a Halloween party, a theatrical performance, or a DJ set, the fog produced by this machine adds that extra touch of excitement and drama. Number 3. GVT Fog Machine. The GVT Fog Machine boasts an impressive design and solid build quality. Its sleek and compact form factor makes it easy to transport and set up without compromising on its durability. The machine feels robust and well-built, instilling confidence in its longevity even during extensive use in various environments. Equipped with a 500W power rating and a voltage range of 90 to 240 V, the GVT Fog Machine truly delivers in terms of performance. With just a short warm-up time, it produces dense and consistent fog that spreads evenly across the stage, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. Whether you need a gentle mist or a dense fog effect, this machine offers exceptional control over the output, allowing you to adjust it to suit your specific requirements. The GVT Fog Machine shines when it comes to versatility and control options. It seamlessly integrates with DMX stage lighting setups, offering synchronized fog effects that enhance the overall visual experience. The compatibility with DMX controllers allows for precise and synchronized fog bursts, ensuring perfect timing with other stage effects. Additionally, the fog machine features a convenient remote control that allows for easy operation and adjustments, providing flexibility and convenience during performances. Number 2. MOKA SFX MKF08 Fog Machine. First and foremost, the build quality of the MKF08 fog machine is outstanding. It feels robust and durable, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. The compact design makes it easy to transport and set up, which is particularly beneficial for mobile performers like myself. One of the standout features of this fog machine is its power. With a 900W rating, It delivers a substantial amount of fog, quickly filling the stage or dance floor. The spray distance of approximately 9 to 10 meters is impressive, covering a significant area with ease. Whether I'm aiming for a subtle mist or a dense fog effect, the MKF-08 delivers consistent results every time. The warm-up time of just 8 minutes is remarkably quick, allowing me to set up and start creating atmospheric effects in no time. The 2-liter oil smoke capacity ensures that I can run the machine for extended periods without frequent refills, enabling uninterrupted performances. Number 1. X009 Fog Machine. First and foremost, the X009 is incredibly versatile. Its compatibility with a wide range of voltage inputs, 90 to 240 V, makes it suitable for use in various countries, eliminating the need for additional converters. As a professional stage performer who often travels, this feature has proven to be a game changer for me. Whether I'm performing locally or internationally, I can rely on the X009 to deliver consistent performance without any voltage-related issues. The 500W power output of this fog machine ensures a thick and consistent fog output, creating an immersive atmosphere for any stage or DJ event. Whether I'm aiming for a subtle haze or an intense fog effect, the X009 never fails to deliver. The fog disperses evenly, covering a significant area, and it stays in the air for an impressive duration, adding a touch of mystery and excitement to my performances. One of the standout features of the X009 is its compatibility with DMX stage light setups. With the ability to integrate seamlessly into my existing lighting system, I can synchronize the fog effects with other stage effects, such as lights and lasers, to create a visually stunning and synchronized experience for the audience. The DMX functionality offers precise control, allowing me to adjust the fog output intensity and timing according to the mood and requirements of my performance. Thanks for watching this video.